How to access and use Facebook Sound Collection in Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can access and use Facebook Sound Collection in Meta Business Suite. Facebook Sound Collection in Meta Business Suite provides a library of free and legal music and sound effects that you can use in the videos you upload to Facebook and Instagram. And then the first thing to do is to log in into your Meta Business Suite account. And then once you're logged in, move to the left side of the screen and then try to locate your sound collection audio library by clicking on all tools. Alright. So after clicking on all tools, you can see the all tools page being displayed. So under engage audience, you can see a list of instruction. So just go down and click on sound collection. And then you wait for the sound collection page to fully load. Once it has loaded, you can now see all of the sound. You can see the tracks, you can see sound effect. These are the different tracks that you can use. So you can just select any of these here and use them to you can add them to any of your posts either on Facebook or Instagram. The same thing applies to sound effects, alright. You can also use this to you can also use sound effect as well if you're looking for sound effects instead. So this is how you can access Facebook Sound Library or Meta Business Suite. Alright, so you can just download all of these or any of these and use them effectively. You can also add, mix and edit these downloaded tracks into the videos you create. Alright, thanks for watching and have a good day.